Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy64 ESF University. Before going into video, please try to solve problems because it's more important. Okay, it's fine. Today we are going to discuss about the numericals means problems on digital communication. I have uploaded the old videos and PDF in Telegram and also WhatsApp channel. You can go and check there if you want all of this PDF. Please analyze all these questions and prepare for your exam well. I think numerical will pass you and also will get you more than marks. Because in numericals if write some of the types and formula also they will give you marks. So try to solve the problems. It's mandatory. Let's go into video. See the full video and write on the questions and improve your practice solving questions. That's it for video. If you want this video I have uploaded in Telegram. Go and check out there. Thank you for that. Let's see the video.